How to turn off video autoplay on Reddit. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Reddit. Once you're running the latest version of the app, simply open it, enter your login credentials, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. At the bottom, you can see the option of settings. Click on it. Scroll down and in the section of accessibility, you need to head over to Media and Animations. The feature of autoplay video previews will be visible to you. You simply need to click right here. This interface will pop up. Now, in order to turn off video autoplay, you have to set the settings to never. Once you have turned off this option, you will be good to go. Well, you can also turn it off this option if you want to. Autoplay animated images. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.